Gozaimasu minasang, our breakfast for today's video is hot dog and nukus and the egg and what call is this? I forgotten. Buwad and bulinaw and egg again and embutido day embutido and sitting hand. And I'll make iced tea. And ati rice is ready. This is her coffee, sugar free. And then atong tunawon ang iced tea, guys. Napay ko ang powder. Then I will put this Sankis. Atong tilukin para malamiin. Aw. And then I will put lemon. Squeeze the lemon para malamiin ang ating iced teahin. Nahugas ko gahapon. Joke. I will hugas always, guys. So that's why this is iced tea. I'll make it. Ating tilawin. Parang nasa restaurant lang tayo umorder ng iced tea. Mas masarap ang iced tea dito. Nagawa ko kaysa Jollibee sa kabad brand. It's not good. Iced tea. Abang. Yes! Good morning, my line. And done, babush!